Hi, today in front of me Alcatel 3D Tom, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's hold for a while our device screen and then click to the widgets icon. After that, we'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar application. Here we can see two different types of the widgets. We can add the full month view or the schedule. Just to add it, we should just hold the widget and drag it to our home screen. If you want to move the widget here on the screen or just between the screens and create new screens for the widget, you just should hold it and drag it. To just resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag to remove icon here on the right upper corner. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.